Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn external CSS integrating. How we are going to adding external CSS is very simply, you have seen earlier lecture also this link item how we are adding. So by writing, see, called it as an external CSS. Okay, maybe it is on a web source provider. What is the icon, like what is the source of address which he is sharing with us, we need to add to our website. So here this is a source address, so we are given. So now let's see, in a simple example I'll show you like in our local CSS how we are going to be adding in this particular lecture. So see, now it's like a name is external CSS file integrating. So all the code which you have to require to write in external only. So once you implemented such type of habituation, it's really greatly you will learn many things. So I have a one particular file in the main.css. So this main.css I'll open with my this one Sublime Text Editor, open a file. So main.css, this is having body and h1 tag. If we want add more all the program or more and more classes, IDs and group of elements h1 h2 like text boxes, all we can write here only. So now for this h1, if I am applying here h1 body, two things are there. So h1 is here, in my h1 is there and body is also there. So save this and let's see the output. Plainly it is showing something, correct? Now if I added this external CSS to my main file, let's see how it will be. Like this style is not required, and putting link reference href main.css, name of the file or path of the file. Okay, so now let's see, save it and reload. Wow, we are getting an effect to getting all the effects which are available here, and what are the components we are used in this particular HTML form, we are able to getting a proper output. So here what you need to concentrate more and more, by adding, we have seen like a simple file only. By adding such a file, what you need to do is to getting a clear picture of information of the particular text and HTML icons or classes, you need to put at the same main CSS page. As a designer, you have to practice to integrate all the CSS at single place. With this CSS, you try to expand and apply entire the project wherever you require. So how you will add, where you need to apply the same code, you need to just call this page. So automatically it will be applied over there. So if any requirement of the corrections may require, you may check it by pressing F12 from your keyboard, Windows keyboard, F12. And if you want to try to change this background and test, yes, you can press here background color, by press here. If you want to change the color, yes, you can change it. It's nothing but like a troubleshooting. If you want to change another color, if you want to make this color, what the color you require, you just take this code, take a copy of it and close the window. So when you are refreshed, commonly it will coming. So go to your CSS file and background yellow, you just replace the copied text, which color you want. So now go back, reload, you are getting this color. How beauty it is. By pressing F12 key and choosing whichever the component and what the requirement you need, you can see. For the text, if you want to change, like by press this arrow and go to like a hit on text is by default it is showing something. See the color, it is a troubleshoot window. This color, if you want to make some color, yes, you can take gray or red or blue or yellow or green, violet, what the color you read, choose according to the color and change the font style. So in this way you can make much interactive program. What you have written inside a class all will be displayed here. All will be displayed here one by one. So choose and practice. If you want to see the multi-device, here you can press the this device. Once it is enabled, if you are seeing resize the window and see the resize the window and how it is going to be applying the responsive, you may also concentrate. Alright, I think it's very simple and easy lecture to adding external CSS files. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.